In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, I'll show you how to create a simple 3D rotation animation using the basic 3D effect. This is a great technique for rotating logos, titles, images, or even video clips to create a dynamic motion effect. First, import your media into Premiere Pro and place it onto the timeline. This can be a video clip, an image, or even a logo graphic. Next, go to the effects panel and search for basic 3D. Once you find it, just simply drag the effect onto your clip in the timeline. Now select the clip and open the effect controls panel. Scroll down until you see the basic 3D settings. Here you'll notice a few important controls. The two main ones we'll use are swivel and tilt. Swivel rotates the clip left and right, creating a horizontal 3D rotation. Tilt rotates the clip up and down, creating a vertical 3D rotation. You can manually adjust these values to instantly create a 3D perspective look. But let's animate this to create a smooth rotation. Move the playhead to the beginning of the clip, then click the stopwatch icon next to swivel to enable keyframes. Now move forward a few seconds on the timeline and increase the swivel value. As you change the value, Premiere Pro automatically creates a new keyframe and the clip will rotate between the two positions. If you play the timeline now, you'll see the clip smoothly rotating in 3D space. So you can also combine swivel and tilt keyframes together to create more complex 3D movements. For example, rotating horizontally while slightly tilting the clip can make the animation feel more dynamic. And that's how you create a simple 3D rotation animation using the basic 3D effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Experiment with different values and keyframe timings to create unique motion styles for your edits. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.